If you've decided to add a dog or cat to your family, suggest pet insurance to manage routine and unexpected veterinary bills. Pet insurance can be expensive, but you might be glad to have it if your best pal gets seriously sick or injured. When you go home, your dog is vomiting and drowsy. After bringing her to the clinic, you learn that she chewed one of your socks and requires emergency surgery that will cost you several $1,000s. Can you afford to pay the bill? If not, pet insurance might be worth considering. As you know, there is no way to predict what will happen in the future. You cannot predict when or how your dogs will become sick, nor can you estimate how much it will cost. Pet insurance protects you against unplanned veterinary expenses. Many pet owners pay for their pets' healthcare bills out of pocket, but most Americans can't afford a $1,500 emergency vet bill. The proper pet insurance can literally save your life. The question is, why pet insurance worth it? Here are the key points. My name is Elena. Welcome to BusinessSnap.net channel. Let's talk about number 1. Pet insurance is similar to human health insurance, but it comes with a lot of limitations not found in human coverage. Number 2. Veterinary treatment is expensive, and in the case of a major injury or illness, it might cost thousands of dollars. Number 3. Most pet insurance works on a pay-as-you-go basis, with you paying up the advance and being paid after treatment. Number 4. The cost of routine treatment is almost equal to the amount you pay in premiums, so wellness coverage insurance is generally not worth considering. Number 5. Accident-only or accident and illness coverage can provide peace of mind at a fair cost if the premiums, deductibles, and copays are carefully considered. What pet insurance costs? According to NAFIA, the average annual cost of an accident and illness policy for dogs is $594 and $342 for cats. This equals to about $50 per month for dogs and $28 per month for cats. The annual fee for dogs is $218 and for cats is $134 if you choose an accident-only policy. Such insurance will pay for care if your pet is injured by a car or swallows anything harmful, but won't pay out if he gets sick. What's covered and what's not? Unless you've purchased an add-on for wellness and preventive care, most policies won't cover spay or neuter procedures. Vaccinations, annual examinations, and teeth cleaning are all the same. This is because insurance is designed to cover unexpected expenses, not the regular costs of owning pets. Only new injuries or diseases are covered by pet insurance, not conditions that the animal had prior to the policy taking effect. So don't try buying pet insurance to pay for your pet's chemotherapy. After he's diagnosed with cancer, it won't be covered. As a result, pet insurance may be more valuable for pets who are young and healthy than for animals who already have one or more chronic conditions. What pet insurance covers? As with human medical insurance, pet health insurance offers multiple types of coverage, each with its own list of coverage options and costs. The 3 most common types of coverage, however named differently by each insurer, are: Number 1. Wellness. This form of coverage often includes vaccinations, routine tests, and dental work, as the title suggests. This type of care is often known as routine or preventative care. Wellness insurance generally does not have a deductible, but it does not cover illness or accidents. Number 2. Accident. Accidental injuries such as poisoning or swallowing of a foreign material, getting hit by a car, cuts, and other physical injuries are covered under this policy. Owners of older pets who have outgrown full coverage often choose accident-only coverage. Number 3. Accident and illness. This is the most extensive type of coverage, and it covers veterinary treatment for injuries, illness, disease, and most changes in your pet's natural health. Some pet owners combine wellness coverage with a comprehensive accident and illness policy, depending on the insurer's offerings. Here are the alternatives options if you don't want to buy pet insurance. If you don't want to buy pet insurance, you can pay for your pet's care in one of the following methods. 1. Self-funding. You might contribute to a high-yield savings account for future vet expenditures instead of paying a monthly premium to a pet insurance company. The benefit of this technique is that if your pet stays healthy, you'll have money left over to spend on something else later. The disadvantage is that if your puppy has an expensive accident 3 months after you bring her home, you may not have enough money set up. 2. Financial assistance. You still have options if you are unable to afford to care for your pet. Your veterinary may be prepared to work out a payment plan with you, or you can find a clinic that charges less for the treatment your pet requires. You can start a crowdfunding campaign to get friends and family to assist you. Grants or other support may be available from charitable groups. Most of the Humane Society has prepared a valuable resource list. So, is pet insurance worth it? Consider buying pet insurance if your pet is young and healthy. You don't have enough savings to cover a hefty vet bill. Having insurance coverage gives you peace of mind. Pet insurance may not be worth it if your pet is a senior or already has health problems. A big vet bill wouldn't be a financial hardship for you. You'd rather take the risk of an expensive diagnosis than pay for insurance you might never use. The bottom line is, our pets' lives come with uncertainties. Our puppies discover and eat socks, and our kittens climb and stumble from shelves, no matter how careful or responsible we are, and it is our responsibility to bring them back to health. Pet insurance is one tool which allows us to care for our pets without suffering financial burden. Hope this video and information are valuable for you. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Please subscribe and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. Business Snap Finance and Business Updates.